Greetings fishermen, very light westerly, a lot of noise in the background here. Cross country's on, Ruafakaitu Primary School in Raparawa, good for the kids. Let's go and get some more fish. Got a fisherman, got a fish on. He's just having a pee. That's all good. Quite silver, this fish. Might be a feeder. Hopefully let it go. Yeah, it's hooked on the corner of the mouth. Well, there we go. A hen. Got the old upturned nose on her, got a bit of shag strike. Put her back where she came from. She's not ready to spawn yet. It's about 2-3 weeks away. There she goes.